How to change the native language on Duolingo to English. So right now I'm in English, but let's say for an example, I was not in English. Let me show you how to do that. Now, as you guys can see, my native language is no more English. I'm in Arabic. But let's say I want to turn this into English so I can learn different languages through English. Now what I can do is click on the flag option at the top right corner. Now in your case, the flag might be in the left. So just make sure to see the flag of any country. And from here, what you can do is click on the plus icon. From here, what you want to do is scroll all the way down and until you see this triple dot, click on it, and then it's going to show you this. Now from here, since this is in Arabic, you might not understand it, but what this is trying to say is learn French from Arabic. Now I'm going to scroll down, learn French from Spanish, like that. Okay, so I can just choose any one from over here and click on it. Now it's going to show me this. I'm going to click on it and my native language will be changed into that particular language, just like this, as you guys can see. So this is Russian. Okay, so don't get confused. I'm just going to go back to my native Japanese to English language like this. So yeah, that's how we guys can change the native language in Duolingo to English. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.